Our next speaker became one of the fastest millionaires in the insurance industry. He was the fastest millionaire ever with Senior Life. He's building his team and growing it by about 100 agents a month. He's already a living legend. He's all the way from Naples, Florida. Please welcome to the 8% virtual stage, Mr. David Price. There we go, David Price. Let's go. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Appreciate you. How's everyone doing today? Look at all these people, man. What an amazing event we're having so far. Everyone happy? Everyone learning something? What about these amazing speakers, man? Put your hands together for all these amazing speakers we had so far. So let's do something here. This is all about having a breakthrough, right? Everyone here wants to have a breakthrough? Raise your hand as high as you can if you want to have a breakthrough. All right, raise those hands a little bit higher now. You see what just happened there? You guys aren't operating at 100% capacity, right? If you want to have a breakthrough, you need to start operating at 110% of your 100% capacity. Your 110% needs to be your new 100% capacity. That's how you have a breakthrough, right? So we need to be doing things a little bit more. We got to be pushing a little bit harder. We got to be trying a little bit more. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I came from divorced parents. I lived in trailers, homeless shelters. I remember getting kicked out of hotels with my family when I was this big because we didn't pay for the hotel. My father trying to talk to the next hotel how to let us in. I made some money. I lost some money. I've been bankrupt. I slept in cars as an adult. I slept on people's couches. I've been through adversity time and time again. I think I lost every single job I ever had. I am not a good employee. You know, I say the reason I'm not a good employee is because I want to be a one percenter, right? One percenters think different than everyone else. You got to remember that you are going to be, if you want to be a one percenter, everyone else around you should think you're crazy, absolutely nuts, because they're the 99%. They're not going to think like a one percenter thinks, right? If you're receiving different things than other people are seeing, well, what does that mean? You're doing different things. You're thinking differently. Does that make sense? Shake your head if that makes sense. Come on, we got a lot of people on here. We just gotta be interactive. Get your cameras on. Let's have some fun. This is the 8%. So I came from nothing. I lost every single job I had. I was always looking for a different business opportunity, right? I always wanted to be driving a Lambo, living in mansions. I always wanted to have these high standards. I just didn't know how. But the one thing that I did is I never quit. I was really clear about my destination. Does everyone know what I mean when I say be really clear about your destination? What are your goals? Where do you want to get to? On Sunday nights, I work on my vision. I go through Zillow. I look at the houses that I'm going to live in. I put a price tag on it. You want to live in $1 million house, what's that going to cost you? It's going to be about 20% down. You're going to need about $200,000, and you're going to need about $5,000 a month to pay for it. Right? That's how clear my vision is. That's how clear my goals are. Just like when you go on your family vacation, let's say it's a little cold here in Missouri, I might want to go to Miami. Right? It's nice and sunny. It's probably in the 70s in Miami right now. If that's where I'm going, that destination is very clear. We could have coordinates. We could have an address. I know exactly where I'm going. Does that make sense? Now, what happens on the way to that destination? I get a flat tire. Do I quit? We hit some adversity, run out of gas. Do we stop? The car breaks down. Do we say, guess Miami's not going to be in the cards today? No, we get that tire fixed. We get gas in the car. We get that car fixed. And we get to our destination. Right? Your destination needs to be this clear in this industry. Where are you trying to get to? Right? It can't be, I just want to make a lot of money. How much money do you want to make? I want to give to a lot of charities. How much? On a monthly basis, yearly basis. What do you want to do for your children? What do you want to do for your family tree? I don't want to just change my family tree. I want to change the family tree of everyone that believes in me. Everyone that comes in contact with me, that wants to work with me, that wants to do something with me, that wants to build a business with me, their family tree needs to be changed. Does that make sense to everyone? So I was looking for a business opportunity. I wasn't even looking for the insurance industry. But I tell you what, I found the right industry. Cody said earlier on, I think some other people spoke, more millionaires in this industry than anywhere else. I got a lot of seven-figure friends in different industries that made a lot of money last year that right now, with everything going on, they're running into some trouble. E-commerce, they can't even get the stuff to sell to people. The mortgage industry, mortgage rates are going up. People don't want mortgages right now. Real estate industry, not a lot of inventory. You ever try selling something when you don't have inventory? Meanwhile, every single week this year, I've done more production than the week before, right? So when the rest of the world's shrinking, this industry is growing week after week after week. So you are at the best place, so I need you to focus, right? One of the things a lot of agents make mistakes is they want to be a multi-preneur. How do I know? Because I used to do it. I want to make money every single way I can. I want to do real estate. I want to drive Uber. I want to do Uber Eats. I'm going to make money everywhere, every which way I can. If you could make $1,000 an hour selling an insurance policy, why the heck are you driving an Uber for 20 bucks an hour? You only have 24 hours in a day. How are you going to spend those hours? Why would I be out there cutting my own grass unless I really, really enjoy it when I could pay someone $60 to cut that grass and I could make $3,000 in that same hour? So does it cost me $60 to cut that grass, or if I cut it myself, did it just cost me $3,000? Right? This is how you got to think if you want to be a 1%er. This is how you got to think if you want to be the 8%. You got to be different. You can't be doing what everyone else is doing. You got to create action. You got to create momentum. So again, I'm looking for a business opportunity. What do I need in a business opportunity? I need demand, right? What is the demand in our industry? Leads, right? People hitting advertisements looking for help. That's the demand. So I'm looking for demand, and I'm looking for mentorship. I know nothing about this industry, right? I need a demand, I need mentorship. I need somebody that's been very successful, more successful than I am, and where I want to go. And I need them to be willing to help me, to teach me what they know. See, when I came here, I thought I knew a lot of things before in my life, and I failed at a lot of things because I had that I'm going to figure it out mentality. I'm going to Google it. I don't need your help. You can't tell me better than I know. When I came to this industry, I dumped my cup. What color is the sky? I have no idea. What color do you think it is? I pretended I didn't, no matter what someone said, I pretended I didn't know. I pretended I had no idea because I wanted to know everything my mentor knew. I wanted to be where they're at. I need to know what they know, don't I? I wanted to know everything my mentor knew. Once I knew everything my mentor knew, then I could add in all that other stuff, right? And then what does that mean? You get a chance to surpass your mentor. How amazing is that? An industry where you could actually surpass your mentor. You could make more money than the person that brought you into this business. Sounds pretty amazing. So Cody introduced me as one of the fastest millionaires in this industry, the fastest millionaire with Senior Life. And it's funny, every time I hear that, I'm in disbelief. Because my first 6 months in this business, I made $30,000. I wanted to quit. Anyone feel like they want to quit? Anyone hear some adversity? Got to resell yourself on this opportunity? Maybe you didn't start yet. Because at 6 months, I wanted to quit, but then what I realized is if I quit at 6 months, can I really say I started? Can I really say I gave it a shot? And luckily, I was able to be real with myself. I stopped looking at all the little things that I couldn't change and realized there's only one variable in the whole situation. I don't care what company you're working with, there's somebody successful at that company. They're successful with that platform, with that plan, it doesn't matter. The variable was myself. I needed to change myself to be successful. And it started with my mindset. I had to stop looking at everything else. I had to stop blaming other people. I had to stop blaming the leads. I had to stop trying to figure it out. Who here has done some insurance math? Pull out that calculator trying to figure out why are these numbers making sense? This isn't what it was supposed to be. There's not a calculator in the world that can understand insurance math. I'm telling you that right now. Throw the calculator away. At one point, 3 plus 3 is going to equal 1. And you're like, man, I'm losing here. I don't know where everything's going, but I'm losing. Then you're gonna hit that point. 3 plus here, 3 is gonna equal 333. It's not gonna make sense, but you're not gonna complain because you're winning. Right? That's it. You're pushing a snowball up the hill. It's gonna be cold, it's gonna be wet, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna wanna quit. But once that snowball gets up that hill, like everyone in this room, their snowball got up that hill, it's gonna start rolling down and you're gonna make more money with less effort. I've made more money every year I've been in this industry with less effort. How amazing is that? 3.5 years as a licensed insurance agent, 3.5 years as a new business owner. Most businesses, the IRS is okay with them, you telling them that you lost money for the first 4 years in business. The IRS will accept that, right? So you're in an industry where you could make money from day one. Who here watches Netflix? Raise your hand if you watch Netflix. A lot of people, right? You guys binge watch Netflix at all? Watch some shows? Yeah? Okay. So it's late at night, right? You're watching the show just ends, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, you're like, man, I need to go to bed. I think I'm gonna watch one more show. Anyone do that? Raise your hand if you do that. That's it, I've done that. I haven't watched a Netflix show in years, right? Because I respect my time. But the question is, why are you so committed about that show? Why are you so committed? I'm gonna watch one more show. Why? Why aren't you that committed about your life? Why aren't you so excited about what your life will look like if you give it that 110%? Every morning I wake up, I am so pumped up, I'm so fired up because I cannot wait to see the next scene in my show. I can't wait to see the next series, the next show, that next episode. I can't wait to see where I'm going to. And that's how fired up and excited you need to get about your own life. Stop watching those Netflix shows. Who cares what's going on there? It's fake. Sorry, it's fake. Right? Let's talk about your life. Let's talk about where you're going. Everyone here has got some kind of system to follow. You gotta plug into that system. I see so many people scared to purchase leads. How many people here got some college? Who went to college? You spent a bunch of money on college. How much money you spent on college, right? How much time, energy, effort did you put in that college? I will talk to someone that goes to college for 4 years, spends thousands of dollars, hours upon hours of work and sacrifice, and has no idea what they plan on doing with that degree. You give an insurance agent a task to buy $500 worth of leads in a week, they come back a week later and say, I didn't sell anything, what should I do? And you say, well, you're probably gonna need more leads then. I ain't spending another $500. Yet you spent $10, $20, $30, $40,000 on an education. I'm gonna teach you a secret today. The leads are your education. That's gonna be your degree in this industry. The more people you talk to, as fast as you talk to them, the faster you're gonna learn this industry. You do 500 presentations, you can do 500 presentations in 10 years, or you can do 500 presentations in a year. It's 100% up to you. How fast do you wanna get that degree? Because I promise you this, if you come into this industry, you know what, I'm gonna work my butt off for 4 years, stop trying to make money and start trying to learn, right? Too many people are focused on how do I sell this next insurance policy? Why am I not selling? Instead of why am I not learning? I need to learn how to sell. I need to learn how to do presentations. This is my education time. Do that for 4 years with no expectations of making money, knowing that you're still gonna make some money. At that end of the 4 years, you're gonna have a degree worth more than any other degree you could pay for in your life. For a lot less, and you get to make money while you're doing it. I need you guys to start holding yourselves accountable. That's a big one. What happens if your friend's supposed to pick you up at 7 p.m. for dinner and they never show up and they never call you? You get angry? Raise your hands if you get angry. Right? You give them the silent treatment, you don't talk to them, you blow them off, I'm done with them. But what happens when we say, I'm gonna wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, read something good to motivate myself and make sure I'm at work by 9 o'clock, and you decide, you know what, I'm gonna sleep in today. What do? You get mad at yourself or you give yourself a pass. Your friend gets a chance to change. Your friend gets a chance to get better because you get mad at them, but you give yourself a pass. You don't get a chance to change. You don't get a chance to get better. I need you to hold yourself accountable. Don't just leave here, rah, 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 rah. Let's go to work. Let's make it happen. All right, guys, one more time now. Let's see if we're at the right capacity we need to. I need you to raise your hands as high as you can. As high as you can. I need you to get real clear about your destination, know exactly where you're going, figure it out, and if you get a flat tire and you hit some adversity and your car breaks down, it starts raining, it starts snowing, I need you to still get back in that car and get to your destination. All right, guys? Thank you.
Let's go. Hey, stay up here real quick for my brother. David Price, all the way from Naples, Florida, one of the fastest millionaires ever. Did the dude bring it or did he bring it, man? I got a quick question for you, brother, okay?
All right, don't make it too hard.
Dude, the chat is lighting up. I had never seen this cat speak before, and he said, trust me, I will deliver. The dude delivered, okay? Here's the one question for you. We've got to know each other a lot these last few months.
We sure did.
Why did you get more involved and end up here on this stage in this room? Why did you get more involved around all this?
So the biggest thing is I don't want to be doing the same thing, right? If I continue to do the same thing, I stay where I'm at. So I'm always looking to connect with more people. I'm always trying to look, like I got to keep the ego. I got to get rid of it, right?
Yes.
I got to get rid of the ego. I always got to be learning. I always got to be expanding. I saw you're doing some amazing things. I saw you're doing some things better than I am. So I want to be a student, man. I want to learn what I can, and I didn't expect to get everything I got out of this. So I'm like, whoa, okay. Definitely glad I connect with you on Instagram. That's what it came down to, right?
That's right, man. Connect on IG, David Price.
David Price Official.
There we go, David Price Official. Appreciate you, brother. Let's give him one more round of applause. David Price, thank you, brother. Man.